go. How you like them apples? I mean, who don't love playing in the sandbox? Yeah, usually the water that does come down the drive comes around this way. I had it graded so that it usually doesn't come across the beach for this reason, but it was just so much so fast. It just took out 2-foot swath. Basically getting our lake back in line. We've got some vegetation come up, we've got some algae come up. I've done a lot by hand raking. It's time for a machine now though to clean this beach up. All right, let's roll, baby. All right, let's get this mess cleaned up. That's why I saved some of this sand for this reason right here. See, this is where the water usually goes on the edge here. One of the ways. There we go. How you like them apples? Well, hopefully this last washout by the time we sell or whatever. The beach normally don't get washed out much, because like I said, I usually, I guide the water around it, since the sand costs more than anything else as far as getting a load of dirt brought in. Tractor don't like the sand. I've tried it. Excavator is pretty much the best tool in the sand. Skid steer, that don't like the sand. Although I do. Little more over here on my right. I mean, who don't love playing in the sandbox? Right? I'm gonna have to cut this road a little and make sure I reroute the water for the next gully washer. Alright, looking good. Easy peasy when you got the right machine. Tell you, it ain't no fun hand raking the sand. Right about here is where it kind of turns to clay again. I still got a little bit of a pile right here. I'll kind of leave it for next emergency. Now we got fresh beach to lay on. And that water, I want that water to go where it used to go, which is right here. So that's why I'm going to make this cut right here. All right, there we go. Well, beach time. All right, not perfect, but it is a country farm beach. It does the job. Sand under my back and my toes. I got sand down in the water there. And we got a sunny day today. I'll take it. All right, we had a gully washer and my cut worked. And my blade worked quite well. You could see the water diverted the beach and went down into the pond that way. So that part worked.